Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to add favorite websites to a toolbar on different browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. First, with Google Chrome, you access your favorite website and click on the star to the right of the address bar. The current website will be added to your favorites bar. Amazon. Bookmarks bar. Done. Favorites bar. Amazon. Similarly with Microsoft Edge. Star. Name. Favorites bar. Done. Amazon. Star. Amazon. Favorites bar. Done. Favorites bar. And finally, with Firefox. Star. Name. Location. Bookmarks bar. Save. Save to bookmarks. The above is how to create shortcuts to favorite websites on different browsers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Save to bookmarks. Bookmarks bar.